we go. Good morning, happy Sunday. So today I'm gonna take you along to this open house that I'm doing and share with you all the behind the scenes. Things are a little bit different now, so I'm just gonna show you how I do things. So right now I'm in the car, I'm headed to Home Depot. I don't have any new Keller Williams open house signs, so I'm gonna head over there and just get some generic ones, and then I placed an order at this really good place at the beach, but I'll share with you more about that here soon. Okay, so I just went into the first stop of the day to go get a ton of open house signs from Home Depot. And the reason why I needed new open house signs is I had a ton from my previous brokerage with their company name on it and whatnot. Obviously I can't use that now being at Keller Williams, but I had a ton of generic ones like the ones I just showed you, probably 30 that another agent had actually given to me, but they all got stolen. Besides, I think 3 I have in my trunk right now, so I got 5 more. About to set these up and then head to the next spot. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so that open house was really successful. It was constant traffic of people coming through. The property has multiple offers. They're currently at 12 offers. Insane. It was so much fun though because a newer real estate agent, Kaylee, who's with us with Keller Williams, she came out to shadow with me, and so the time just went by so fast. We had a lot of fun. But now I'm at home grabbing lunch and I'm going to head out to Silverleaf to tour Dreamfinder's homes. I have some clients who are interested in new construction, and the price point out there in St. Johns County for these townhomes is awesome with amazing incentives. So gonna wrap that up. I hope this video was fun to watch. I don't know. Stay tuned for the next one.